This tutorial is going to show you how to set up one of these small LED lights. To open the bag, just unzip it, and then inside you're going to find you've got your light head, battery charger, a couple of batteries, AC adapter for plugging it in and for the charger, and then you have this small ball joint. This is what you can use to attach it to a light stand, a small light stand. And then on the bottom of that, which I just unscrewed, is this small attachment that is used for a hot shoe. So if you wanted to operate the light on a camera. So when you get the light out to put the batteries on, they just click right into place. And then you can turn it on and off here to raise and lower the brightness. On the front, there is also this removable diffuser. So if you want to soften the light up a little bit, it's magnetic, it'll attach right to the front of it. And then you can control the color temperature. To control the color temperature, you just move the temperature dial. It can be anywhere from 3200 K to 5600 K. 3200 K is kind of on the yellow end, and 5600 is on the bluer end, more like daylight. So it's useful when balancing this light with daylight or with other light sources. To attach the light to a light stand, use the ball joint. You can unscrew the hot shoe attachment and screw this directly into the bottom of the light. And then you can attach it to a light stand. And this allows you to have a bit more control over it. And the ball joint allows you to change the angle to go vertical, horizontal, and then kind of in between. Now, if you want to operate the light using AC power, you do need to remove the batteries, because what the light is going to do is it's going to draw from the batteries first. And then what might happen is if you have it plugged in, the batteries will die and the light will shut off, even though you have it plugged in, because the charger or the AC adapter does not charge it. The only thing that's going to charge the batteries is the charger. So when powering it with power from the wall or alternating current, you do need to make sure that you plug it in but remove the batteries prior to that, and then it'll continue to run during your whole duration. To charge your batteries, you're going to use the same AC power adapter that you use for powering the light, and you attach it to the charger. Plug it in, and then you can just pop the batteries on, and they will charge. And this is a simple setup of 3 of the LED lights. I've got a key light here, a little bit of a fill light, and then a back light on a boom. And this is 3 of those battery-operated LED lights. And that's how to set up the small LED light. They are cool to operate, cool to the touch. They're not extremely bright, but they do a good job of matching with different lights without having to use any gels or other attachments. And they are battery operated, which is useful, but they can also be powered by AC power as well.